Welcome back, folks. Day 3 in our how to set a gill net under the ice. First day we set the net. Second day we checked the net. We caught 11 fish. And this is the third day, our second time checking the net. We'll probably get the same amount of fish, I'm thinking. Yeah, we'll chop this here. Stay tuned, folks. Nice. The ice is 1 foot thickness when we drilled it. We'll have a fish fry again. We'll drop our net in. We don't need the stick no more. And we'll go to the other side. I'll take you to the other side, guys. We're on the other side of the net. We'll pull some fish out. Like last time. I'm sure there's fish. Jim, Judd, and I. Minus 20 out today. I know some other people I can give fish to too. Some elders over here. We'll give them fish too. We're good. We're good for setting nets here. Educate you on how to set a net under the ice. Oh, feels heavy. Whoa! First pike of the year, folks. Look at that. Yeah, nice. Look. Can you see it? Pretty good eating. That'll be good eating in the pan. Go like this, look. Oh, 2 more. You'll just go like this. Oh. Wrap it in a circle. Okay? As you pull it. We got a couple more fish, folks. 4 fish. Oh, I like the jacks. They're all the same size. There's the second one. There's another one. Folks, another pike. Good pan eating size. We got a walleye here, folks. Nice one. Oh, we got 2. Another huge one. Wow. That's a Jamongo. Oh,
good size.
Yeah.
That's a big one, eh?
Yeah. That's a big one. Haven't seen one like this in years. Whoa! Whoa! So heavy. Oh! Look at that, folks. That's a huge one. That's like a 1 foot, 2 foot, 2 foot and
24 inches. 24 inches.
2 foot and 2 inches. So 26 inches. 26 inches. Walleye. Wow, me and Jim Judd from Fort Vermilion. Oh, that's a nice one. We'll continue on, folks.
Another one here.
Okay. Okay, folks, continue on. Oh, another one right there. Oh, here's a beaver stick. Oh, another one here. 2 here. There's another one. Another one, folks. Another walleye. Very grateful for the catch. There's another one, folks. There, another one. So you can see. Okay. Feeling heavy again. There's another one. Oh, 3 right here. Thank you, Lord. We're grateful. Here's another one, folks. Good frying pan size. Onions and mushrooms. Breaking the net. Another one, folks. With peppers.
Look at this.
Oh, another one here, folks. Flour. That'll be good.
They snail and they got
Oh, another one here, folks. We're coming to the end of the net. Yeah, there's all. Oh, that's a clam. That's just from the bottom.
you got clams here?
Yeah. That's a clam shell.
Yeah.
Oh, there's 2. Another one here, folks. Oh, thank you. Oh, this fish is gonna knock this big one's gonna knock the camera down. Get these 2 out. Yeah, we're pulling out the fish. Just take what you need. Don't catch animals for nothing. Just when you need it, you take what you need. There's like 500. Our community, within our community is 3,000 people.
Holy smokes, how many you got?
No.
4, 5, 6, 8, 9,
Hang on.
11, 12, 13. About 13.
There, folks. Here's another one we caught. I didn't show you. And this one here too. Yeah. Oh, we got another one. Oh, another huge one. Good prime time. Prime time fishing. That's how you chop your net. Another one there, folks. I want to show you. We'll respect the animals and we'll make sure we give it away and give it to the elders so they're eating up right away while they're fresh.
There's one jack here.
I want to fillet some too. Oh, jack there too. Another walleye here, folks. Yeah, very grateful. Oh, there's a jack over here. Another jack here, folks. When I head a little bit too ahead. Another one there. Another pike here, folks. Another pike. Okay, Jim. Roll her up. There. 2 more here. Oh, 3 more. Oh, that's the end of the net there, folks. Right, keep them right here. Get some footage. Another one, folks. So you can see it. Oh. Fresh one. There you go. Yeah. There's 2 more here. Another one here, folks. Oh, it's so hard. A lot of work doing the net, but it pays off. Looks easy, but it's not. It's hard. Hard putting the net in. Easy part is checking it.
Yeah.
But you still got to clean the fish. That's another thing is good to give away your catch is your less work. Yeah, here you go. So we caught, let me count for you guys. So you guys know out there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 fish.
Holy.
Oh, that's a good catch.
Take your net up.
Yeah.
Take your net to the truck.
Right there, folks. That's our biggest catch. Our biggest catch. Yeah. Very thankful and grateful we got this fish. We'll give it out and we'll share, and so they can be eaten while they're fresh. Just trying to create good content that people would like to see. As a traditional hunter and with the Denada First Nation, just want to thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. Run to that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, and push the icon bell button. Don't be shy, guys. I'm working. When I get a chance, I'll try to get some good footage for you. When me and my dad were out on the land, and brothers and cousins and nephews, when we're all on the land, we'll try to do it over again and educate the youth. So if they wanted to go out, they'll know what to do. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you guys later. Thank you. It's okay, just still don't move.
This is good.
Yeah. Good?
Very tasty. Very tasty.
Nice.
Yeah, it's good. I like pickerel.
Oh,
We only caught what they call gold eyes. That's the kind of fish we used to catch.
gold eyes?
Yes.
Oh, I gotta search that up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Bye for now.